Hello everyone, we are Team Eklavya from NBNC Agar Technical Institute's campus Pune. We are participating in Smart India Hackathon 2023 and the problem statement that we have selected is Air and Water Quality Index and Environment Monitoring, which was proposed by the Government of Kerala, and the theme of this problem statement is Agriculture, Food Tech and Rural Development. So, our approach is to build a web based solution which will serve as a platform for government officials, various organizations, and public for monitoring the environment quality, primarily on the basis of air quality index and water quality index values, as well as prediction of the upcoming values. This will give us a general idea of the overall environment quality of that particular region. The platform will also serve as a mean of communication between the government and common people, enhancing the government and common people relationship, and also that will help the government to take efficient actions accordingly. The portal will have a dashboard which will allow the visualization of critical data. It will also have comparison and analysis feature which will be implemented using AI and ML model. A result of these features will be in the form of red and yellow alerts that will be sent directly to the government. The red alert will be for the areas that are currently at risk, and yellow alerts will be for the areas that are to be at risk or could be at risk in the coming future. This solution will also have a report or feedback system which can be done by the common people themselves. It will be useful for the government as well as for the developer. It will also have the comparison feature which will help us compare the environment quality indices or values of multiple regions at one place. The environment monitoring and comparison of air quality index and water quality index values of multiple places can be done at a particular place or this particular solution in spite of hopping on different websites, which will help people to compare various aspects to check the better habitability of an area rather than the other one. The implementation of AI and ML models will be used to predict the future values that will be useful for giving the yellow alerts. The feedback system will be useful for the government as well as for the developers so that the developers can improve the public experience and the government so that they can plan their projects and take necessary actions. The benefits will be basically improved environmental analysis, which will lead to a healthier lifestyle choices by people, and it will help more engagement of people in the local environmental issues. Proactive risk management will be done using the yellow alert feature so that government can plan their intervention timely accordingly with the help of this feature, and it will reduce the impact of environmental crisis over the people. Also, it will save a lot of time and various numerous resources. The future scope will be this can be implemented into a mobile application which will be more accessible to a larger demographic scale. Hardware devices can be used like microprocessors and sensors that could be placed at multiple locations for the timely and accurate data entries. So this will be us from our side, from our solution. Thank you very much for listening.